Fishing here, guys. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. This is what's up, guys. We on the hunt again this morning. See if I can get it out there, guys. Yeah, that's it, all the way out now. All right, good deal. Morning, Jamaican Shore fishing, guys. Wind is in the face. Not good. Morning. Wind is in the face. Not good at all. All right, we go that way. Wind is in the face this morning, guys. May I go around the coast here? Yeah, man. Yeah, viewers. The wind changed direction back this way, guys. Which is alright. But what I want to do is get around this cove before the sun comes up. And not be bothered by the sun. So, we got a whole bunch of mullets swimming around up here, too. Probably some small barrets. I don't know. Let's see what's up. Nothing there. Not get wet yet. Baby long jaws, pipers, as you call them. They're chasing. Small barrel just hit after it. You see that, people? Don't want him, he's too small. You got time for that. All he's gonna do is take up time. Even though a catch is a catch. A little crab right here, guys, look at this. Watch, he's gonna try to grab my lure, watch. You greedy frig, are you? Look. I got a crab, people. Look at that. He's gonna try to grab my lure. I know that he would try to do that. I had a small barrel chase back there a while ago, guys, and yeah, sometimes it's just a catch too, guys. I mean, I enjoy catching fish, that's what it's all about, but can't be bothered with this size right now. I'm just working this side going around, see if I pick up anything in here maybe of significance that I can keep. I'd love to have fish for lunch today, or dinner, better yet. That'd be nice. Nice size barrel today, guys. No chase there. Just working this cold, guys. Look how beautiful that is. I love this place. This is what's up. Nothing there yet, guys. So I just walk like every 10-15 feet and cast out. That's just basically it. That's why I love lure fishing, guys. I can cover so much more area fishing with lures. Nothing there, guys. Don't see anything chasing. Had a small barra back there chasing earlier, guys. But see what's up. Lovely cat. Trying to get that twitch in that lure while it's in there, guys. Get it to act up. Yeah, the best time to come lure fishing, guys, early mornings. I like. I just don't like the late evening fishing sometimes. The mosquitoes, the bugs, and then not only that, most of the predatorial fish is out in the morning. Snapper on, guys. Snapper on, guys. Snapper. Jamaican Shore fishing. Look at that. Woohoo. Snapper on the lure, guys. Woohoo. Look at that. Oh, I got dinner, guys. That's what's up. Came out here hunting for dinner and got dinner this morning, guys. Woohoo! Look at that. Snapper on the lure this morning, guys. Yeah, got you. Nice size, dinner size snapper too. Let me get my string out. Don't stick me with those damn fins. Got him strung up, guys. Alright. We gotta find some place to anchor him, keep him fresh. Alright, let's anchor him on this piece of log right here. He won't be going nowhere. Keep him fresh, guys. Let's keep him alive right there. Alright, guys. But that's it for us, Murder She Wrote, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that smash like button, guys. Yeah, we got dinner today. Got a nice snapper. And I'm gonna go home and make him for dinner.